All right, hey Mark, thanks for these. Hey everybody, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just going to show you what these are for a minute. Very interesting. Mark must have or have access to a CNC machine. I don't know, what's that? How thick's that steel? Hey Mitch, can you grab that steel engineering ruler from the top of the toolbox over this side, on the side of that black thing? Anyway, I'll measure up how thick it is. This is the normal CROWSFOOT we supply. Okay, and he's cut some of these out. I don't know if the material is going to be hard enough or not, but there's a few advantages here. So he's made these, and look, the advantage is, see, it's a bit, let's compare to, let's put two side by side. You're going to need to get down there and make the measure. Have a look at the thickness. Let's have a look. What does it say there, everybody? Let me know in the comments. What's that, 8 mil? All right, Mitch, get down there. What is it, 8 mil? You have to get down, how is it, 9 mil? Looks like about 8 anyway. Hey, Mark, let us know in the comments. Anyway, didn't ask him to, he's just made these. Let us know the story if you can, I'd be interested to know. Because look, sometimes we grind, well people grind, I'm using these ones, grind a little bit off the side. It's not hard to do, to use these tools, whatever. It's just, you know, if you can make it easier. Anyway, this one looks a bit slimmer. I just don't know if we're gonna lose strength, and obviously they probably maybe haven't been, whatever hardening process they might do with these, I really don't know. There's no coating, there's some sharp edges. But look, these are all numbered. I'm gonna send them out to everybody. And when they join the VIP group, you can write, hey, I got number 5 of the, we're gonna call these the prototypes, the 10 prototypes. And you know what, let us know how they go. Feel free to get a file out and take off those sharp edges if you want. But we are gonna send these out for use, and let us know. I'll probably put a post up in the VIP group, maybe even linking this video. And if you get one of these in your kit, let us know. Say, hey, I'm using number 9 at the moment, and I found it good, or it was crap, or this broke off, and put a picture up, or because just curious to know, you know, if this just works. And if it does, maybe we'll have a new supplier. Thank you very much, Mark, and thanks everybody for your assistance with the filing. And if you need to grind a bit more off, do that. But I've got a feeling, because it's slimmer on the side, see, comparison, got a feeling it could go all right. Anyway, quick video. See ya. Oh, hang on, wait a minute. There's people that are going, well, how do we get our hands on one of these? It's going to come with the injector kit. Monday morning, 7:30 a.m. Text message, Melbourne time. Okay, anywhere in Australia. We can't send injector kits and all this. There's over 20 components in our injector kit. We can't send it all. It's very time-consuming, complicated to send stuff overseas unless you do it all the time, and we don't. And I just haven't got. I can't do it. So. Bada bing, you know, and of course different VIN numbers, listings, different injectors, different pipes, different this, different that, and it's just, yeah, look, my way is we get it right the first time, and I can only do that with the vehicles I know, which are in Australia, unfortunately. Would love to help, but I can't. But anyway, if you want more info, subscribe, turn the bell on, because there'll be another video soon. See ya, bye.